What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Nyasha and this is Makeup a Difference. So we are on look 5, which is the final look for the bridal makeup series I have been doing. I have done look 1, which was the traditional bride, look 2, which was the red classic bride, look 3, which was the African Zulu bride, and look 4, bohemian bride makeup. And this makeup, look 5, is going to be a smoky full glammed bride. Like, I know bridal makeup can be full glam, but this one is gonna be a smoky eye. We're gonna still stick with nude lips, but because not everybody likes the simple looks. Some people want to go out there. Not gonna be too dramatic, but it's going to be just wedding appropriate. So if you want to see how I do this, please stay tuned and let's go. So for this look, I really want a full sculpted eyebrow, so I've just filled it in. Don't worry about this one, I'm gonna fix it. I've done my skincare already. I'm sorry if you can hear the fan going, guys, because it's warm, so humid. It's not even like that many degrees outside, but humid. So just gonna sculpt that eyebrow. I'm gonna go for, it's kind of like a brown smoky eye with just like a little bit of nude like in the middle. Color correction. Foundation, I will be using a MAC foundation. I forgot how good this foundation is. I've not used MAC foundation in a while. And for contour, I am gonna go in with my Milani cream foundation just to sculpt my cheeks. I have shown you guys how I like to contour these days. It just gives me a sculpted look that I like. I just like a chiseled look. For concealer, I've gone back to my favorite concealer, which is the Revolution Conceal and Define. I forgot how great this concealer is. It's full coverage and it really covers everything. And I also went in with the She Glam liquid blush, and look how gorgeous that is. And it's a peachy coral color. I'm just contouring my nose just to get that defined look. Setting my under eye with the Huda Beauty banana bread with a puff. This is not a triangular puff, but it works absolutely amazing. And using my favorite bronzer in Rob. You guys, I can't get enough of this bronzer. So I'm just prepping my eyes for that eyeshadow. Like I said, we're going for that brownie smokish eye look, but it's not going to be too dramatic. It's just going to be a perfect look for a bride. I like to focus the darker colors on the outer corner, just giving it a lifted look. And now I'm putting the nudish kind of brown color just right in the middle, and I'm going in with a black, but only a little bit. I don't want this to be dramatic, so I'm gonna need to do a good blend, and this is what you get. I am doing a nice winged liner just to complement the look as well, and I'm smudging that liner at the top because I don't want it to be sharp. I want it to be smudged, and I'm gonna go right ahead and put a dark brown eyeshadow just under my eyes. I like to make sure it's blended under the eye so we don't have raccoon eyes. I'm going ahead and putting mascara on. I did put lashes off camera And now I am just setting in that Huda Beauty banana bread in my skin, and I am going to add a little bit more blush and spray to just set, get rid of any ashiness. That's one thing you don't. You set first with a hydrating spray, and then you go in with a fixing spray. Using Glory from Makeup Revolution as my lip liner. This is my favorite. I literally don't know where I can get another one like this, because they're out of stock now, and it's a perfect brown liquid lipstick as a liner. And I'm using a pinkish nude as my lipstick. I just love this liquid lipstick. So now I am going to just highlight my nose, my cheeks, and all the high points of my face. Just whenever I turn, you get that glow effect. Look how stunning this has come out to be. Whew. Guys, so I really did finesse this a whole look, this child. Like, it was so hard to like figure out like how am I gonna do this. This is actually a top, bloopers top. It's a top. Most of the looks that I had, in case you think it's a top, I literally just wrapped it around. But I hope you enjoyed this look. I must say this look is so flawless. It's got browns, it's got the smoky, it's just stunning. Like, you can't tell me, like, beautiful. You can also change this like into a red lip or something like a maroony lip. But thank you guys for staying in tuned or with the bridal series. If you've not watched this and you're just starting from like episode 5 or look 5, please go back and rewatch the whole playlist and just binge all the looks and everything. I know I did a voiceover only because there's so much noise that the fan is making, and I don't like that. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you in another video.